Weight painting was never easier before. I created this Hydra in a few minutes with new AI features that simplify weight painting. How it works: when you have some deformed area like this elephant on the stomach, we will be simply painting the area that is deformed and sending the data to the AI. AI will recalculate weights and adjust the weights across all bones to fix it properly. The end result will be perfectly adjusted weights. So let's get started by generating the Hydra AI image. So here I created this low poly Hydra using Nano Banana 2, and I will just simply now send this Hydra to the AI 3D model generation. So I will take the triple and I will generate this model with triple. So we will wait a couple of seconds, and when our model is ready, we will send it directly to the AnimateMesh studio. Now we will adjust it to the floor, and it's time to pick a rig. In AnimateMesh we have more than 50 rigs for you to choose. I picked Alpaca rig as its skeleton fits my Hydra quite well. I skipped the workflow to the last step to see how will our animation look like without any adjustments. So as you see, the mesh looks really bad, it's deformed everywhere. So let's just quickly fix that. I went back to edit skeleton step and checked highlight selected bone influence and position by mesh volume. This way I will see weights when I click on the bone, as you see now. So now when I click on the bone, I will just adjust this slider to give the bone more weight. What it means? It means that this bone that I clicked now will pull the mesh. It will make that when we lower the Hydra's head down, for example, the head will follow the head bone. So this bone will be pulling the mesh. So I will now speed up the video and I will do that for every head bone and neck bone, and I want to make sure that the bones affect all three heads, not just the one in the middle. So as you see, it's quite okay, but still we have many places where the mesh is deformed. So now we will focus on the AI fixes. We will paint the areas that we want to fix, we'll click the magic button and done. So let's just do that. Click on the optional step weight painting, and then in the menu on the right side you will find AI fix tab. I will play now the animation in the bottom. I will pick attack animation. Now I will hide the bone names as they won't be useful for now. And now I will check where the mesh is getting deformed. It's mostly getting deformed on the right head, but I see some deformations on all of them. So I will simply paint all of them, and I want all three heads to adjust slightly, and later on I will get into more details. The next step of AI weights fix is selecting the bones that should mainly control them. So I painted heads, so I will pick one or more bones from the head and neck area. It's simple. Now I click fix selected region. You can click this button a couple of times and you can watch how weights are being fixed. If you want to go back because you messed something up, click Ctrl Z or click on item in the history panel. Now as you see, the right head is quite badly deformed, so we will be doing AI fixes on just the right head. So I go into weight painting, I pick AI fix. Now I paint the region where I want the fix to happen. Now I preview the animation in weight painting and I stop the animation and I pick the bone that I want to pull it. Now I click fix selected region, and as you see, our weights have been pulled towards this bone and our animation looks much better. Now let's adjust the left head. As you see, it's also being deformed. So I go into weight painting, AI fix again, I paint the region which I want to fix. I painted a little the middle head, so I hold Ctrl to remove it. Now I will preview the animation in weight painting, so I see the deformation. Now I will stop the animation so that I can see clearly where it's deformed. I pick a bone holding Alt and clicking on the bone. And now I click fix selected region a couple of times until it gets fixed. I will do that as well for a couple of other places, like this head for example. As you see, it's getting deformed. So I will speed up the video and show you how I do it. And that's our final result after about 5 minutes of work. If you spend a little more time on it, you can get it much better. Some models are more complex than others. For example, here we turned alpaca into hydra basically. That's why it may take a longer time to adjust it. But if you have a simple quadruple or humanoid model, then rigging an animation is just a couple of clicks. That's been all for today. Thank you for watching and see you very soon. Bye.